Living in UAE, they are indigenous ethnic group from hills of Nepal, especially around Gandaki province. As per Nepal census 2021, the Gurung community, Tamu, has population of 1.83% of the total population of Nepal. They have history of military service, especially in Indian, British, Gorkha regiment. Rich in cultural aspect, Tamu Samaj is proudly present. Syarga is a traditional ritual dance performed by the Tamu, especially during the funeral rituals. Sagra refers to the heaven or the afterlife, a spiritual place where the soul goes after death. Similar to the concept of Sarga, it is Sanskrit. Sarga is not just dance performance, it is done to guide the soul of deceased towards the afterlife and honor ancestor. It is a spiritual state of peace and liberation after connected the ancestor and the divine. Jorle, Nepal Magar Samsakha UAE, representing the indigenous Magar community. Magar are one of the largest and oldest indigenous ethnic group in Nepal with their own rich culture, language and tradition. Traditionally found in mid-hilly region, Magar make up to 7% of Nepal population. The present Kaura Jhaki is traditionally folk dance and song style. It is performed in group by men and women, often in a call and response style with rhythmic clapping and movement. Kaura is rich in poetic lyrics, which often express love, humor, social commentary or local storytelling. Kaura is cultural food of tablet that visually represents the dance. It is a way to display the cultural beauty. Tamang Samaj UAE, representing the indigenous Tamang community, Lasso Fabula. Tamang is one of the largest and culturally rich indigenous ethnic group of Nepal, residing in hilly region of Nepal. They make up to 5% of the total population. They have deep musical, traditional, their signature instruments are Tungna and Damphu. Damphu Jhaki. Damphu Jhaki is a cultural representation of the Damphu traditional drum and visual symbol of Tamang community. Kirat Rai Yayoka Sakha UAE, representing the indigenous Kirat Rai community. Seva Semuna. Kirat Rai or Kirat people are one of the indigenous group of Nepal, particularly residing in the eastern region of Nepal. They have population of around 2.1% according to the census of Nepal 2021. They belong to the Tibeto-Burma ethnic group and have rich cultural and historical heritage. Sakela Jhaki, it is a cultural tableau of parade displays that showcase the Sakela dance and tradition of Kirat Rai community. Sakela is the most important traditional festival of the Kirat Rai people. It is celebrated twice a year. Ubauli in spring planting season and Udauli in autumn harvest season. Sakela Jhaki is visual or live display of Sakela festival. Kirat Yaktung Sumlung UAE, representing the indigenous Limbu community, Sewaro. Kirat Yaktung refers to the Limbu community, one of the major indigenous group of Nepal under the border Kirat umbrella. Yaktung is what they traditionally call their ethnicity and culture. They mainly reside in eastern Nepal. Chabrung Jhaki, it refers to the public display of performance where people dressed in traditional Limbu attire carry the chabrung drum and perform dances or rituals in moving procession. Chabrung Jhaki is accompanied by traditional tunes, songs and sometimes chant in Limbu language. It showcases Limbu heritage, history and identity. Tamang Samaj UAE, representing the indigenous Tamang community, Lasso Fabula. Tamang is one of the largest and culturally rich indigenous ethnic group of Nepal, residing in hilly region of Nepal. They make up to 5% of the total population. They have deep musical tradition. Their signature instruments are Tungna and Damphu. Damphu Jhaki. Dampu Jagi is a cultural representation of the Dampu, or traditional drum, and a vital symbol of Tamang community. Dampu is circular one-sided drum made with animal hide and played by hand. It was traditionally used by Tamang birds, monks and elders to accompany sun, tell stories and during rituals. It is especially associated with Tamang cello music, joyful and rhythmic, often accompanied by singing and dancing.